Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Mini Cooper key fob battery. First, gather your materials: a new CR2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. It's important to have the correct battery type to ensure proper function. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This simple process will restore full functionality to your remote. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side of the remote, near the key ring attachment point. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly to separate the two halves of the casing. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. The two halves should pop apart with minimal effort. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side faces upwards. Gently pry out the old CR2032 coin cell battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, insert the new battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures correct power flow. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a secure click, indicating they are fully closed. Once reassembled, test all the remote's functions, such as locking, unlocking, and trunk release, to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You've successfully changed your Mini Cooper key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.